Today we are looking at a Clipper AT Ferrell Super X 29D. This unit has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt with all new bearings. This unit is unique in the fact that we updated it with VFD controllers. This allows you at the push of a button to adjust the shoe shake, the lower fan speed, and the hopper speed. This unit was set up with brushes due to the customer's requirements. These units can be updated with ball trays. Here you can see our rebuild tag right here. And we also have the seed cleaner serial number right there. This is a look at the VFD controllers. Right here we have the lower fan VFD, and here we have the shoe shake VFD. These have been pre-programmed by us not to exceed factory set limits. This unit also is equipped with the roll feed hopper VFD. You can see here. This really brings this unit into the next century and updates it and eliminates all of the high wear components. Because we were able to update the unit with VFDs, we were able to eliminate the counter shaft. This also saves you on more expensive mechanical components that are outdated. Due to the power limitations of our shop, we will only be able to run one motor at a time. We're going to go ahead and fire the unit up now, running the top air. We have the top air motor running. You can see here the fans in operation. The unit runs quiet. There are no irregular noises. Motor was checked out. Comes up to spec. Unit has all new belts, of course. Safety shielding installed. We're going to go ahead and shut down the top fans, and we will move on to the shoe shake, which will be the motor up on the top there. This will drive the eccentric shaft and the brush jack system down there. We are going to fire up the shoe shake VFD now. Please note that the flickering is due to the frame rate of the camera. The LED display does not flicker in person. This unit has been pre-programmed by us never to exceed 410 RPM on the eccentric shaft. That is a factory set parameter. You should never exceed 410 RPM with any wooden seed cleaner. This unit has been pre-programmed by us to not go below 350 RPM and to not exceed 410 RPM. Firing the unit up is very simple. We just simply hit the run stop button. Unit hums right to life. Again, there are no irregular noises. Just perfect all the way through this unit. Really came out quite nicely. You see the shoes shaking as they're supposed to. Now we have the unit set at 350. Again, the flickering is only due to the frame rate of the camera. The LED display does not flicker in person. We are going to raise this speed of the motor up to its maximum, which is 410. We hit the enter button. The unit speeds right up. This has all been checked out by us. The unit is set and pre-programmed to the proper parameters as to not exceed the maximum speed allowable for these machines. Turning the unit off at the end of the day is as simple as hitting the run stop button again. Unit coasts to a stop, as it should. Now we're ready to restart the unit if we were ready to clean seed the next day. Unit just fires right up, and it remembers your previously selected 410 RPM. We're going to go ahead and slow the unit down. This is infinitely adjustable between the preset parameters. This button here just simply moves over your position of number you want to change. So if we want to change it by 1 RPM, we can just by hitting the up button. We are at 351 now. Hit enter, and the unit will raise to 351 RPM. Very, very simple, easy system to use. Now we're at 410 RPM. Now we will go all the way down to 350. And that's all there is to it. We have also rendered the forward reverse button inert on this. All that means is that you cannot reverse the direction of the motor. The direction of the eccentric shake is particular to these machines. Here you can see we have the traveling brushes in time. Again, this unit was set up with brushes at the customer's request. He's going to be doing grass seed. These units can be updated with ball trays if necessary. We have the lower fan VFD fired up. You can see we have a green power light and a yellow or amber status light. This unit is ready to fire up just by simply turning on the start switch here. Unit hums right to life. See, it's running at the slow speed right now. This VFD will aid you in synchronizing the top and bottom air using the indicator ribbon and this crank right here. You can simply adjust the speed of this just by turning the large knob. Does a really, really good job of it. Here you can see the unit slowing down. Shutting this unit down is as simple as just turning it to the stop position. Then the unit coasts to a stop. These VFDs, like I said, they really bring these seed cleaners into the next century, modernize them, and get rid of the high wear, expensive components. We are now going to fire up the hopper VFD. You can see it is as simple as the lower fan VFD. We simply move this to the start position. We have it set as 0. We'll go ahead and turn it to 50. See, the unit hums right to life. There are no irregular noises. Everything is as it should be. This unit is all set to the pre-desired parameters. We can go ahead and max the unit out just like we did before. There are no irregular noises. The unit just hums right along. It's ready to go to work. Shutting down the hopper is as simple as moving the toggle to the stop position. Then, of course, with the analog knob, this will just remember your original preset. Unit fires right back up and goes right back to where it was running previously. This will conclude all of the VFDs on this machine. Having finished all of the electrical motor test running for the video, we will do a final walk around. We put a lot of time and effort into this unit to bring it back. The unit is in perfect condition. It's ready to go to work. We take a lot of pride in these units, modernizing them and keeping them out in the field performing. This is going to be an informational video showing our capabilities, changing these to VFD controls instead of the older mechanical controls. We have several of these units available. A link to our website and information will follow the video and be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.